Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to use ReciMe app for meal planning in 2026. Okay, first you want to go and download the application from your App Store or Play Store. And you should know that it is not available in all regions, and the application is free, and it will give you a 7-day free trial. Now, after opening the application, here it will give you this interface. Click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, click on Continue. You'll need to sign in. Then it will ask you what are your goals. Eat healthier, save money, improve cooking skills, organize recipes, plan out meals, try new cuisines, and so on. Now, you need to answer all these questions in order to customize your experience. After that, you need to click on Continue, and here it will show you this question: how did you hear about us? Choose anything also. Then, how many days do you cook per week? You should enter this correctly. Then click on Continue. Then here it will ask you if you follow a specific diet. And now, this is important step. It will ask you where do you want to get your recipes from. You can choose between Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, cookbooks, and cooking websites. So I will choose here Pinterest, then click on continue. So here it tells you that ReciMe supports recipe importing from 95% of sites such as Pinterest and more. So click on show me how. Then here it will ask you how old are you? Then how do you usually organize your recipes? Then click on continue. And now they are setting everything for you. Here it tells you that they offer 7 days free for everyone. Then they will notify you 2 days before your trial ends. Now click on allow in order to allow the notifications. Then here you can simply click on start your free week. And here it tells you how much is the monthly payment and how much is the yearly payment. Now, after you open this interface, you need to click on this plus icon, then click on add your first recipe. Then now you'll have to choose where do you want to import the recipe from. You can import it from text. You can paste some text in order to import a recipe. You can import it from one of your camera. You can, for example, if you are in a restaurant or at someone's home, you can simply take a photo of the plate that you are eating right now, and it will actually import the recipe and tell you exactly what are the ingredients and how to cook it. You can even import from the browser. So I'm going to click on browser. Then I will search for cookies recipe. Then I will go for any one of these websites. Then it will start importing, and here it tells me exactly what are the ingredients. Just click on save and scroll down, click on save also. It will save. Then it will be displayed here in the cookbooks menu. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.